Okay, let's talk about the different ways that an if condition can be set up. So in this case, what they've done here is they've used a Boolean variable. And last time we brushed on this a little bit, but let's just cover it thoroughly. So I got some code here from before. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, so let's say I'm going to do the age. So we're going to. Okay, let's talk about a Boolean value first. I'm going to write this value called can drive. And set it equal to true. I mean, it's a variable. I declared a variable called can drive, set it equal to true. So its data type is a Boolean, which can only have one or two values, okay, true or false. So can drive is now equal to true. So now if I had to say if can drive, see now before we would have to do something like this, like if. No, let's just try this. I'm going to say if can drive, I'm going to say print you can drive, else you are you are young. No, you're too young. Right, whatever, going with that. You can put a single one in there because I use double quotes on the outside. All right, you're too young. Now this is always going to say you can drive when I run this because it's set to true. It won't change. See, the other thing I could have done is we could have done what we did before, age equals to, then I could say input. Enter, what is your age? And then you input it, and then what we did here is we say age is less, if age is less than 18, oh sorry, that wouldn't work, let's do greater than 18, you can drive, or you're too young. So now we got this, now it's asking us, what is our age? 18. Oopsie, I always forget to do that because you don't have to do that in JavaScript. What is your age? 18. You're too young. Okay, so now what we could do, sometimes this is what will happen, is you would have this if statement higher up. Let's say if, and then I'm going to do this. I'm just going to grab this. If age, and then I'm just going to say if it's greater than 18, I'm going to say can drive true, else can drive false. Let's see. Okay, and then we can just check if can drive. All right. So that's just really the way this. So this evaluates to true and this evaluates to true. So it's just two different ways of writing an if statement. And let's just check if it works. What is your age? 12. You're too young. So let's just clear that and run it again. What is your age? 18. Whoopsie. Oh, greater than. What we should have done here is a greater than or equal to. What's your age? 18. You can drive. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. It's just the different ways an if statements can evaluate to true. So what they showed you in here is just that found is a Boolean, whereas before they did this age, they did the whole evaluation in line with the if statement. Over here, they just telling you straight away that it is true, that found is a Boolean and it's equal to true. All right, thank you very much.